Dear children, in this module we are going to discuss about stack. A stack is a collection of data item that can be accessed only at one end called a top. Items can be inserted and deleted in a stack only at the top. The last item inserted in stack is the first one to be deleted. Therefore, a stack is called last in first out data structure. The two main operations on stack is push and pop. Push means what? Inserting new item at the top, and pop means deleting the item from the top. The other stack terms we can use in Python is peak, overflow and underflow. Peak means what? Getting the most recent value of stack, that is value at the top. Then overflow means a situation when we are pushing item in stack if it is full. And underflow means a situation when we are popping or deleting, or if we are trying to delete an item from an empty stack. So underflow will happens. Then, my dear children, I had given some functions and the main program I will give you later. The first function, diff empty, is empty is used for what? Checking the stack is full or empty. If it is empty, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Push means what? Here I used a list and item. S is a list, that is stack. Item is what? A new element to be append into a stack. Then the top becomes top of that is the length of s minus 1. Then this function will add a new item in the stack. Here setting top is mandatory. My dear children, you are not supposed to forget the last or the third line of this particular function, top equal to length of s minus 1. Then def pop, that is for what? For getting or deleting an item from the top, from the stack. If is empty, it returns underflow. Else, it will do pop operation. Pop will always remove an item. If len of s equal to 0, then top becomes none. Else, top, again we need to set the top function, that is top index, that is length of s minus 1. Then it will return the value which we deleted. Pop always delete an item, then it will return the deleted item. So we can use that value for returning. Then this peak is used to check whether the stack is having its on most top item from the stack. That is, it will return the topmost item from the stack. Peak, that is the first element from the stack. If it is empty, it will return underflow. Else, it gets the top, that is len, then it will return s of top. Then show is for what? This function will display the stack item one by one. If the stack is empty, no item will be in the stack will be printed. Otherwise, it will get the top. Then top, it will print the top. Then while t greater than 0, that is top greater than 0, it will print s of t. And it will decrement the top till it becomes to 0. That is why we had given the condition like while t greater than or equal to 0. When it reaches 0 or minus 1, it stops the while loop. My dear children, this is the actual program to implement the stack in Python. It starts from an empty list, top becomes none, while of true. While of true means what? While of always true. Then it will displaying the menu to the user to interact with. The user will choose any one option from the given list of options, that is push, pop, peek, show, stack and exit. The user will input their own choice, and the input, if it is 1, the function, this if statement calls push operation. If it is 2, it will call pop operation, and it will print if the value equal to underflow, it will print the stack as empty, otherwise it will display the deleted element. The next LF is for checking the choice of 3, that is to delete or to see or show the element. Peak of S, underflow. If val is underflow, then it will print the stack as empty, otherwise it will print the value. Then if choice is 4, it shows the entire stack. If the choice is 0, then it will break. My dear children, you have to do this program in PyDroid or in your system. This is one of the implementation of stack in Python, that is push and pop operation, which is given as your curriculum or in the syllabus. That is the last topic in your syllabus. I think you are all clear about what is stack in Python. Thank you.